In this video, we will go through each of the top 20 IELTS topics that you might get in IELTS speaking. During each topic, we will ask Jay an example speaking part 1 question and then listen to his response. After that, I'll show you some other questions that you could get for that topic on test day. Let's start with the first topic you might have to talk about on test day. The first topic is animals. All right, when you hear the topic of animals, maybe you think of words like pet, captivity, endangered, extinct, and so on. So they're all great topical words, but it's very unlikely that you'll use words like that in part 1 of IELTS speaking, because the examiner will ask you pretty simple questions. You won't need sophisticated vocabulary like that. Are you ready for your first question? You can pause the video and try to answer the question yourself, or you can watch Jay give his response. Let's talk about animals. Do you like animals?
Yeah, in general, I like animals. I think I've become a little bit more discerning as I've aged with regard to which animals I like. For example, I don't like silly, jumpy dogs anymore. I like quiet, placid dogs.
Great. Did you notice how straightforward the question was? And his answer was perfect, just the right length, and it demonstrated lots of great vocabulary. Not necessarily topical, but good vocab nevertheless. Let's take a closer look at his response. I like how we used in general to begin his opinion.
Yeah, in general, I like animals.
That's a nice way to do that. Then he compared his present self with his past self.
I think I've become a little bit more discerning as I've aged with regard to which animals I like.
And then he gave an example.
For example, I don't like silly, jumpy dogs anymore. I like quiet, placid dogs.
Other questions you may receive on test day could look like this. What animals can you see in your city or country? Are animals used in farming in your country? What animal would you like to see in the wild?